Hello students, welcome you all in e-learning. Today we are going to learn about standard 7th Sanskrit second semester book, chapter number 5, Yojakah Tatra Durlabhah. Now let us see the workbook fill up for this chapter. Exercise number first. For each of the given questions, choose the options that is its correct answer and write the letters corresponding to the answer in the box provided. First, what things of all lead the camel always watch? So the answer is B, folds. Second, whose concentration is famous? So the answer is D, cranes. Third, उष्ट्रः स्वभावेन कीदृशः अस्ति? So the answer is B, वक्रः. Fourth, who is the king of desert? So the answer is D, camel. Fifth, बकः मनुष्यवाणीं वक्तुं शक्नोति? So answer is C, false. Now MCQ number 6th. Find out the Sanskrit word for the word king. So the answer is C, nrupah. 7. उष्ट्रः सर्वदा blank एव पश्यति. रिक्तस्थाने उचित कर्मपदं लिखत. So the answer is A, दोषम्. 8. हि शुकः तव चक्षुः blank अस्ति. रिक्तस्थाने उचितं विशेषणपद लिखत. Answer is C, वक्रा. 9 number. हे कुकुर तव पृच्छं blank अस्ति. रिक्तस्थाने उचितं विशेषणपदं लिखत. So the answer is B, वक्रम. 10 number. भवतः अपि सर्वाणि blank अंग blank वक्रः सन्ति. So the answer is D, अंगानि वक्राणि. 11 number. भवान् मरुभूम्याः नृपः blank रिक्तस्थाने उचितं क्रियापदं लिखत. Answer is B, अस्ति. Exercise number 2. Fill in the blanks by selecting proper words from the brackets. First, एकदा उष्ट्रः blank अटति. So the answer is 1A. Second, हे शुक तव blank वक्रा अस्ति. चक्षुः. Third, शृगालः उष्ट्रं पृच्छति blank कथम् अस्ति? Answer is उष्ट्रभ्रातः. Fourth, उष्ट्रः वदति स्वास्थ्यं समीचीनं किन्तु अन्यत् किमपि blank नास्ति. So the answer is समीचीनम्. And fifth, बकस्य ग्रीवा वक्रा किन्तु तस्य एकाग्रता प्रचलिता. So the answer is एकाग्रता. Sixth, अयोग्यः पुरुषो नास्ति blank तत्र दुर्लभः योजकः. Question number 3. On the basis of the lesson, write am for the true and no for the false statement in the box given against the following statement. First, सुकः स्वभावेन blank वक्रः अस्ति. So न. Second, सुकस्य चक्षुः वक्रा अस्ति. आम्. Third, बकः मनुष्यवाणीं वक्तुं शक्नोति. न. सुकस्य एकाग्रता प्रचलिता अस्ति. न. Fifth, उष्ट्रः मरुभूम्याः नृपः अस्ति. आम्. Frame the sentences using the words given in the following table. Example, उष्ट्र वने अटति. So we have to frame the sentences with the help of these words given in the given in the box table. First, उष्ट्रः वने अटति. Second, सुकः लज्जाम् अनुभवति. Third, अहं मोदकं खादामि. Fourth, किशनः पुस्तकं पठति. Fifth, माला जलं पीबति. Question number 5. Match the columns A and B correctly to make complete sentences. First, सुकस्य चक्षुः वक्राः किन्तु सः मनुष्यवाणी वक्तुं शक्नोति. So see here writing mistake is there in first in first question answer will be from column B. Third, सः मनुष्यवाणीं शक्नोति वक्तुं शक्नोति. Second, कुकुरस्य पृच्छं वक्रं किन्तु सः स्वामिभक्तः अस्ति. Third, बकस्य ग्रीवा वक्रा किन्तु तस्य एकाग्रता प्रचलिता. So again I am repeating here in the first, सुकस्य चक्षुः वक्रा किन्तु answer is from column B. Third number, सः मनुष्यवाणीं वक्तुं शक्नोति. Question number 6. Find out the true meanings of the given Sanskrit words from the given options and write. First, Ushtrah camel, Vakrah crook, Chachuh beak, Samichinam yes, Marubhumi desert, Prayojanam aim, Yojakah organization, Sukah parrot, Kukurah dog. Now, exercise number 7. Write the Sanskrit meaning of the following English words. First, king, nrupah. Second, famous or well known, prachalit. Third, other, anya. Fourth, neck, griva. Fifth, the letter which is not mantra, amantra, maksaram. Sixth, the root which is not medicine, moolam, naushadam. Now, exercise number 8. Join the words. First, amantram plus aksaram, amantram aksaram. Moolam anaushadam, moolam naushadam. Third, yojakah plus tatra, yojakastra. Fourth, na plus asti, nasti. Fifth, kim plus api, kimapi. Question number 9. Answer each of the following questions in one sentence in Sanskrit. First, Ushtrah स्वभावेन कीदृशः अस्ति? Answer is Ushtrah स्वभावेन वक्रः अस्ति. Second, Ushtrah वृक्षस्य उपरि कं पश्यति? Answer is उष्ट्रः वृक्षस्य उपरि एकं सुखं पश्यति. थर्ड, उष्ट्रः सुखं किं कथयति? आंसर इज उष्ट्रः सुखाय कथयति, हे शुक तव चक्षुः वक्रा अस्ति. फोर्थ, कस्य पृच्छं वक्रम् अस्ति? सो द आंसर इज कुकुरस्य पृच्छं वक्रम् अस्ति. फिफ्थ, कः मनुष्यवाणीं वक्तुं शक्नोति? कस्य ग्रीवा वक्रा? सो द आंसर इज शुकः मनुष्यवाणीं वक्तुं शक्नोति. बकस्य ग्रीवा वक्रा. सिक्स्थ, कः मरुभूम्याः नृपः अस्ति? सो द आंसर इज उष्ट्रः मरुभूम्याः नृपः अस्ति. 7 नंबर, कस्य स्वामी भक्तिः प्रचलिता? सो द आंसर इज कुकुरस्य स्वामी भक्तिः प्रचलिता. 10 number, answer each of the following questions in one sentence in English. First, who is crooked by nature? So the answer is the camel is crooked, a fault finder by nature. Second, what does the camel always see? Answer, the camel always finds faults in others. Third, where does the camel see a parrot? Answer is, the camel sees the parrot on the top of a tree. Fourth, how is parrot's beak? Answer is, the parrot's beak is crooked. Fifth, why does the dog feel ashamed? So the answer is, the dog's tail is crooked, so it feels ashamed. Sixth, how is camel's health? So the answer is, brother camel's health is all right. 7 number, what does the fox say about the parrot? So the answer is, the fox says that even though the parrot's beak is crooked, it can speak in human's voice. 8 number, what does the fox says about the dog? So the answer is, the fox says that the dog's tail is crooked, but the dog is faithful to its master. 9 number, what does the fox say about the crane's neck? So the answer is, the fox says that though the crane's neck is crooked, the crane is well known for its concentration. 11 number, translate the following sentences into Sanskrit. First, एकः उष्ट्रः अस्ति. सेकेंड, एकदा सः वने अटति. थर्ड, उष्ट्रः हसति अग्रे चलति. फोर्थ, हे कुकुर तव पृच्छं वक्रम् अस्ति. फिफ्थ, उष्ट्रपादः कथम् अस्ति. सिक्स्थ, निर्थकं नास्ति. एंड 7, योजकस्त्र तत्र दुर्लभः. Exercise number 12. Translate the following passage into English. First, on the way, it meets a crane. On seeing the crane, the camel says, your neck is crooked. The crane does not even look at the camel. On the way, it means camel meets a fox. Second number, translation. On the way, it sees a dog. The camel tells the dog, oh dog, Your tail is crooked. The dog feels ashamed. The camel laughs and goes ahead. Next, 3 number. Translation number 3rd. The crane's neck is crooked, but its concentration is well known. All your body parts are also crooked, but you are the king of desert. And also, there is some intention use of their big tail and neck. Exercise number 13. Frame the sentences as shown in the example. So, example is like this. Virajah krushah kintu shaktimanah asti. So we have to use the word kintu to frame the sentence, and we have to use the word which is given in the bracket. So see first one. Amita शिशुः किन्तु निर्भया अस्ति. Second, नीमवृक्षः तिक्तः किन्तु गुणाकारी अस्ति. Third, रुग्णालयः लघुः किन्तु स्वच्छ अस्ति. Fourth, पर्वतः दूरे किन्तु रमणीयः अस्ति. Fifth, कोकिलः कृष्णः किन्तु मधुभाषी अस्ति. Exercise number 14. Frame the sentences as shown in the example. So, we have to use the word which is given in the bracket to frame the sentence. Let us see. First, एषः शुकः तस्य कण्ठः मधुरः अस्ति. Second, एषः कुक्कुरः तस्य स्वामिभक्तिः प्रचलिता. Third, सः राष्ट्रपिता तस्य सङ्कल्पशक्तिः प्रचलिता. Fourth, सः शिक्षकः तस्य कार्यनिष्ठा प्रचलिता. Fifth, सः छात्रालयः तस्य व्यवस्था प्रचलिता. Now here our book club for this chapter is over. You may copy down all the exercise in your workbook. Thank you.